Hello everyone, my name is Paul. This is video number 5 and today we'll be installing Sonarr. Sonarr is a manager for your TV shows. Okay, we're going to be installing this on an Unraid server. Go to the apps, look for Sonarr. We are using hot IOs for this tutorial. Install. You know about that warning already if you've seen the rest of this series. Call it tut. Change the network. Change that to a 3 because I am conflicting. And change this to the tutorial folder. Tutorials, and it's going to be Sonarr. This is, you could delete that if you want, and save. And this is the path for the data, which is for everything, because Sonarr and Radar, this particular Radar being the one we're installing now, needs to have access to everything. So edit, it's a remote, and it's data YouTube, and save. Click away and make sure it says slave and save. That takes care of that. Hit apply. Should say successful. Beautiful. Done. And like on previous videos, we're gonna move the container to a folder. That's the container, and this is the folder. Put it there, and we could open it up. And as you can see, bottom left corner, mine says 3989. Yours should say 8989 for your port. May take a little while it's still booting up, probably. Yeah, still doing his magic, creating his little database. So until that's done, the UI won't work. Give it a few. Once this slows down, we're able to open up the container. Let's try it again. Yep, still stuck. There you go. It stopped. And reload. Forms, just like the previous one. Enter your username and password twice. Very strong password. Very super strong password. Hit save. Now we're done. Once again, no download client, no indexers. So we're going to take advantage of our Prowlarr. Okay, and we're gonna go here to your Sonarr. We're gonna go to settings, general. We're gonna copy that API key. We're gonna go back to Prowlarr, settings, apps, click on the plus, click on Sonarr, paste the API key, and change this to Prowlarr. My case tutorial, and here will be Sonarr. Hit test. Checkbox being green means it's good to go. Save. Now it may automatically have synced to it. Let's see if it did it. Back here. Go back to settings, indexers. Look, they're already there. One shot. And then download clients. That's going to be our SAB. We go and open up SAB. Wait, what happened? We go to setting, configurations, general, and we copy the API key from SAB NCB. We go back to download clients on the Sonarr side, hit the plus, pick SAB, paste the API key. Category is TV, which if you remember, hit the test button. Not localhost. This is called SAB NZBD. In my case is TUT. Test again. Checkbox. Save. Okay. And then we have another error here. No, well, it went away. Perfect. So no issues. And okay, just like Sonarr, just like Radar, you're gonna have to point your media management, and you're gonna have to do your roots. It's gonna be under data, media, TV, and we're gonna add animation. Hit OK. Wait a little bit. And then you're gonna be data, media, TV section, anime. Okay. And last but not least, data, media, TV section, standard. Okay. Beautiful. That takes care of our root folders. And now for the naming convention, don't forget that, it's very important. So allow Sonarr to rename your stuff. So you gotta click that box. And then the file names I leave alone. That's pretty much looks good to me. What I do make a difference is in the folder. In the main folder, when we add we're gonna show advanced, so that way we get to see the actual folder. So series, where is it? Delete empty. And where is it? Am I blind? I'm too tired. Ooh, that one went right over my head. Series folder. That's what it is. Series format folder. Just like your movies, you should have your folders name like the way Plex likes them. And if you go into Plex documents or instructions for organizing TV shows, that's the minimum. Movies, music, TV shows, TV show content, and the minimum see TV show with the title and the year. That's like the minimum. But if we follow the same thing as we do in the movies, we follow this convention here. We have the title of the show, the year, and the ID code. See? For TVs, it's going to be TVDV. As far as I understand that, I think that's the preferred one, the TVDV. We'll find it. We'll see it when we are in Sonarr. So go back to Sonarr, click that. So we have the series title, space. We need the year. So we find the series year. So it will look like this. The year, series year. And then space. And in curly braces, we type TV DB dash, and then we do the TV DB ID. and we close the curly brackets. Close. And then we look at the example. It's going to look like this: the series title, the year, and that. I like the year to be in parentheses. So we go back and add the parentheses here. So parentheses, hit close. So now there we go. Now it looks good like that. So all your TV shows will have that as the folder, and then what happens inside, no big deal. So already preset. Just make sure you have that checkbox to allow it to do the renaming. Make a little update to this so that you start from 0, but you start correctly. If reason why this is important, once again, if you were to have to recreate your Plex library, and once you import the file, the folders in the having this information, Plex has no problem pulling out the correct metadata. So I mean, I don't like to create empty folders, so I just check this box all the time. And we already have the root folders. Hit save. We have no issues reported. So we already have the indexers forwarded and the download connector, download client right there. Next step, installing Plex. Thank you for watching.